How to fix TikTok live lag. If you're experiencing lag during your TikTok live sessions, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll walk you through the steps to fix TikTok live lag and ensure you have a smooth streaming experience. Whether you're going live from your phone or desktop, this guide will help you reduce or eliminate the lag, so let's get started. The first and most common reason for lag is a weak or unstable internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi or 4G or 5G network. You can simply toggle off the Wi-Fi and turn it on again. You can test your connection by using a speed test app or website. If your internet is slow, consider switching to a different network. Next, simply close any background apps that are consuming internet or CPU resources. On Android or iOS, swipe up to close apps that are running in the background and that might be slowing down, like this. Now, TikTok is frequently updated with performance improvements and bug fixes. Simply go to your app store, simply search for TikTok, and if there's an update available, simply update it. And make sure you're running the latest version to avoid issues that may cause lag. Lastly, what you can also check is VPN. If you're using a VPN, it can slow down your internet connection. Search for VPN, and if it is connected, simply turn it off. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the lag on your TikTok live streams and enjoy a smoother experience.